逃げろフリちゃん。
No, she needs to get the most out of her money.
They'll never get me.
No, you can't be selfish like that. She paid for all the tapioca. The family's calling.
Oh. The interception.
Oh no, no one likes him.
Oh no.
Oji-san.
Whoa.
Is this an insult?
I think
This might be an insult.
it is. Concave
and convex.
convex.
Mutually unintelligible level. Oh man. Okay. Okay. No, it's okay. Just need some bone.
Hurt my back.
Wait. Wait.
Okay.
I cannot move.
Oh no.
Stuck in the... Seinyang. Okay. This is the one.
Okay.
Oh, I'm doggo this time.
Oh,
Alright.
okay. So you have to go.
Oji-chan.
Oba-chan.
Nice.
Nice.
Alright. Senyans for the girlies.
And
Puppy balls for the Oji-sans.
the Dore puppies for the
Dore puppy. Wait. Dore means our hedgehogs.
Oh, it's so cute. It's breakfast.
Just one. Wait,
Oh,
what do we have to do? Oh,
We can
we need
move
to
it.
break in front of the... No. We need to break in front of mom. Because otherwise we'll think that Oji-san is our mom.
okay.
There you go. There you go.
Literally no.
No, mom.
No, that's tragic.
It's better than Oji-san, I guess.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
We can start like
Yeah. We do some prep work.
oh go. Nice.
There you go. Okada-san.
Mommy. Press the button. All right.
Bien. No. Seible. Benign. Boring. Begin. Oh man.
ごめん. No, it's okay. Okay.
Okay, now you catch it. You take it.
Okay.
I am a man and should not be close at all.
I will chase
No.
you.
Get away from me.
Let's go.
All right.
Okay.
What? Oh no, you're 4 milliseconds too early. Your ramen's bad now. All right.
Gonna lock in.
Sure. Oh, wait.
Whoa.
That's the exact same.
Let's
Wow.
go. Okay. This is a good one.
What?
Oh.
Okay, here's round two.
Take it.
Da, 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 da. Now all night. Oh yeah.
Oh, go ahead.
Da, da, da.
Oh. Wait, I saw his hat. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. It could.
Oh no, the stomach one. I think we nailed this one. I think this was the correct answer, right?
Yeah. Oh no, I'm not feeling well. Okay.
Oof.
Sure.
Oh, I'm not feeling well either. Okay, just excuse me.
Yeah, I know we ate Calyx's pasta. That's why.
The extra cheese.
The extra cheese. The cheese with a little bit of pasta in it.
And more cheese, just in case, you know. Oh!
Okay, we're synchronized again.
Okay,